Nope, I just...
That was awesome. I was too worried
It was
about
just
getting
like,
footage.
yeah. Nice. Woo-hoo-hoo! What's up with it? I wonder if I can do a backflip. Jesus. Boy, the grip out here is amazing. Wheels. Oh shit. Oh my God. Wheels. All right, I'll do one, then you do one. Shit, I could probably get 2 or 3 out of that pretty easy. Oh my God! Oh my God! That was amazing, dude. All right, I'm gonna rock 2. No problem. Dude, yours just goes straight fucking up, dude. Uh-oh. Jeez. Yeah, we'll count it. All right, so I'm gonna hit this transfer. I'm gonna do a 90 backflip and land plush, and then I'm gonna do 2 off that. Watch this shit. Probably not. All right, there's 1. Nice. That's awesome. God, it just sounds so brutal landing on hard cement. That's fucking amazing, dude. Ooh, squeaked a backflip out. Oh my God. Wow. Here comes Burn. A little crooked. Nice. Boy, backflips are easy there, man. Oh, that was cool as shit.
Come on, you turn, get in there. Oh no.
Hell yeah. Uh-oh. You're all right, bro. I don't care if you total it. Oh, that was sweet. Oh! Ooh, wait. Was that concrete? Or did you get over the fence?
Oh yeah. Nice and clean. Oh my goodness. Dude, that was so beautiful. Oh, that was perfect, dude. All right, here he goes. Honestly. Attempt number 3. There you go. Oh my God. All right, man, here we go.
You laying on wheels?
Attaboy, Dylan, get after it. Dude, look how much smoother you're jumping that thing now. Ah, that's the deep stuff. Nice and soft. Oh my God. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Wheels? Yeah. Nice. Right, Dylan's got his Tekno. It's got a broken front bulkhead, but he's got a sender 2 in it going forward. Honestly, that was nice. Perfectly on. Uh-oh. Oh!
Oh, it's good.
I think you're good, man. You landed right on your back bumper. Ooh! You are on wheels, but you're in the deep weeds. I'm gonna go back a little further. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Hell yeah, that was beautiful. Woo! Oh, I got some speed, baby. Nice. Dude, it's almost effortless now. Rap, rap. Whew, another hard one. What if I can backflip off that? Nice! I got it, dude, and I got it on tape, I think.
I think I did too.
Oh my God. Nice. Very nice. Ooh, I got a backflip out of that. Yeah. Dude, that was fucking smooth. Holy shit. I'll do a little baby flip. Or 2. Jesus! I did 2 and landed on the XMaxx. Whoa! Do it, Dylan. I want to see a backflip. Nice. Backflips off that are easy breezy. Flip it out. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. You kind of transferred it. I'm going to flip over it, watch. Ooh! What's up with it? That was dope. Oh, damn. It'd be cool if you could come off this gently and rail slide. I'm gonna try that. Oof. Oh, no No shit. First try, dude. I'm taping too. I shouldn't have done it. Fuck. Woo-hoo! That was a flippy bastard. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Woo! Ooh, I think you're good. I think you're all right.